In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable USB debugging on Google Pixel phone. It's a very easy Android tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Google Pixel that you have. So what we want to do is go over to our settings application, scroll down to the very bottom, and you're going to see About Phone. Once you're in About Phone, go ahead and tap your build number 7 times, and it's going to say you are now a developer. You might have to give it your PIN or password. Then go back to your normal settings page, then go to System, and then at the very bottom, you should see an option called Developer Options now. Once you go ahead and click on it, all you got to do is find USB debugging, which should be in its own debugging section, and all you got to do is turn this on. It's going to say USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps, etc. Just go ahead and turn it on right there, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.